Chapter 5, Self-Portrait, page 15. Dis vrek moeilik om foto's van jouself te neem. Die digitale kamera wat ek verlede maand vir my verjaarsdag gekry het, is great. Die timer funksie is egter moeiliker om te gebruik as wat ek gedink het. Jy stel dit, staan en terug en wag vir die foto om geneem te word. Ek het al 'n hele paar foto's geneem van my voorkop, my neus, my een oog of al twee oë. As jy almal aan mekaar las, behoort jy ten minste een ordentlike foto te kry. Maar dis nogals heel kunstig as jy my vra. So Zane received a digital camera for his birthday last month, but he says it's very difficult to take photos of himself. The timer function is very difficult to use, more difficult than he thought it would be to use. So he says you put it on, you stand back, and then you wait for the photo to be taken. He's taken a bunch of photos. He's taken a photo of his forehead, his nose, his one eye, both of his eyes. And he says if you put all of these photos together, you'll get like a good picture of him. But it's going to look a bit artistic. So there's an example of the photos that he's taken, the artistic put together photos, portrait of himself. Page 18. Jy kan dit uitstal en iets noem soos Tian Fourie, 'n selfportret in 20 dele, of stukkies van 'n 16-jarige. Of dalk Tian Fourie 16 single en so verveel dat hy homself met sy digitale kamera probeer afneem. So he says you can put it on show, this portrait of himself, of the different photos he's put together, and you can name it Tian Fourie, a self-portrait in 20 parts, or parts of a 16-year-old, or Tian Fourie, 16, single, and so bored that he's taking photos of himself. Wat maak jy? What are you doing? Ek wip soos ek skrik en swaai my rekenaarstoel om. Is jy wraggies besig om foto's van jouself te neem? Ek trek vir syne gesig. Na vanmiddag is ek te flippin embarrassed om vir die res van die jaar my kop by die deur uit te steek, sê ek suur. So ek moet seker iets kry om my binneshuis te vermaak. So Zane walks in and asks what is he doing, and Tian gets a big fright and turns in his desk chair. Are you busy taking photos of yourself? Says Zane, and he pulls a face. And Tian pulls a face at Zane. Well, after what you did this afternoon, Tian says, I'm so embarrassed that I don't feel I can leave my home. So I probably have to find something to do at home. Zane glimlag net. Dit was geen so erg nie. Eintlik moet jy bly wees ek het ou Bach 'n bietjie met die lipstick ingekleer. Wasn't that bad? You should be happy I did it. That I put some lipstick on Bach. Mozart, corrects Zane. Wat? Nie Bach nie, Mozart. Not Bach, Mozart. Whatever. Dink so daar. Ons gaan oor môre audisies hou vir 'n ordentlike band. Ons gaan vir 'n Battle of the Bands kompetisie inskryf. En Liesel Kritzinger het vandag vir my gesmile. Ek rol my oë. Dit was nie 'n smile nie, Zane. Die girl was besig om my uit te lag. Zane trek sy skouers op. Dis 'n begin. Ek tel my kamera op. So, Zane ignores Tian's frustration and says, just you wait. In 2 days, we're going to have auditions for a proper band. Then we're going to enter the band competition. And then Liesel Kritzinger, the most beautiful girl, she smiled at me today. And Tian rolls his eyes and reminds Zane that she was not smiling at him, she was laughing at him. And Zane just ignores that and says, it's a start, you know. So this picture, underneath it says Zane Leroux, moeilikheid magneet, so troublemaker, en die wêreld se grootste sakker, the world's biggest sucker / idiot.